Who or what are you chatting with really? Over the phone, it's easy to tell if you're talking to a robot feeding you automated replies. But on the web, it's much harder. Thanks to advances in AI and natural language processing, online chatbots effectively mimic human conversation. Sometimes it's hard to discern when the chatbot ends and a human takes over. Businesses typically use chatbots as a sort of first line of customer service, often to handle simple customer service tasks or assign questions to the right live agent. Chatbots reduce overhead costs by freeing up staff for other tasks and improve the overall customer experience when live agents aren't available. Chatbots range in complexity. Some are highly scripted and respond only to frequently asked questions or perform repetitive calls to action. For instance, providing customer shipping and order tracking updates. Some are more complex, but still operate off single exchanges. Ask, "What's the weather tomorrow?" and you'll receive an answer. And some chatbots are conversational and engage users to understand the nature of a problem to potentially solve it. Most customer experience chat services have this type of chatbot technology. Virtual assistants are another form of chatbot, which retain user information to provide contextualized answers. Virtual assistants improve in efficiency over time as they learn, and also do things like send meeting reminders and manage to-do lists. Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant are popular consumer-level virtual assistants.